welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you all are doing great and you all are safe. So guys, as you all have read by the title, I took up a challenge of burning 2000 calories in a day. Like in single day, I'm gonna burn 2000 calories. So yeah, before starting the video, I have few disclaimers to speak to you all. If you all know me from before, you all know these disclaimers. I know that. And yeah, the first thing is I'm not a fitness influencer, so you got the point. And the second thing is I'm taking up this challenge on my own risk. So I'm not going to tell you to do this because this is not good for health. The first thing. And the third thing is every body type is different and it may differ from every body type. If I'm burning only 500 calories in some of the workout, you can burn 700 or you can burn only 300. So it depends on every body type. Okay? So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Hey guys, good morning, and as you all know by the intro, I am gonna burn 2000 calories in a day. Like, this is insane, I know, but yeah, let's give it a try. It's okay. So for the first thing, I am gonna go for cycling, and it's 8 o'clock right now, and it's been a very long time. Like me cycling, it's a very long time. I don't know how it goes, so yeah, I just want to go. I just thought to go at 5:30, but that can never happen. I can never wake up so early. I can never do that, I know that. But yeah, let's go and do this. So guys, now I'll be heading towards, I don't know where I'm going. I don't know, I don't have an idea. But yeah, I got just screwed from my dad because he told me to change the seat cover. I can never do all these things. Like, no, I'm not gonna do. Let my brother do this, okay? And yeah, I'll be calculating the calorie burn over here. I haven't started yet. I'll just on and I'll just go for a ride. Okay, I just reached a place, like, just wait, I'll show. And my cycle is over here. And yeah, it's pretty good. And I arrived, like, I just reached this place in 10 minutes and someone is jogging over there, like, dude, hi. But he can never say hi to me, so yeah. I don't know, I just took a break. Shit. Okay, bye. Never try this because this is bad. Never try this. So as you all can see, I just reached Sankey. Like, this is insane. It's 53 minutes of me bicycling. And I don't know, I just took a break for a water break, and then I'm going towards the house. So let me meet you in the house. So yeah, bye. So guys, right now I ended the thing and it's 450 calories. Just wait for it. Can you all see it? So it's 450 calories for 1.5 hours. I don't think so, but yeah, I have 1,550 more calories to burn for the day. So let's go. So guys, now I'll be doing the workout. Like, basically whenever I feel to work out, I do these exercises. So yeah, I have 1,550 more calories to burn for the day, and let's go and do it.
So guys, you all need to keep this in mind. Before starting any workout, please do warm up your body at least for 10 to 15 minutes and then start your workouts. Please don't skip this part. Please never do that, okay?
I don't know, this sport is not working for some reason, so I'm just gonna change the workout and do something else. Yeah. So guys, as you all saw, like there is some glitch in my Apple Watch, so I'm not gonna use the watch so that I can't track. I've thought to do a 1,000 calorie workout burning challenge. Like, yeah, I know it's insane. Don't mind me. I don't know, and it's for around 1 hour and 10 minutes. So I'm just gonna start it right away, and I don't know the channel name too. I'll just add somewhere in the screen so that you all can know. So let's go.
Okay, I was so happy to do the workout because it was around 2.5 weeks of me working out, and yeah, I was so happy to do it.
It's a break time for 1 minute, so yeah.
Don't mind the background, I can never stay without songs, so yeah. Okay, this is one of my favorite exercise in all the others, and I just love to do it, and it's been a year or more of me working out, and just see my reaction over there. Yeah.
I'm not able to speak, so but I still have 41 minutes to go, you know. So many jumping exercises.
Okay, is this only me or you guys also hate to do jumping exercises? If yes, comment down below.
I again have a rest of 1 minute. And 33 minutes is left. I can't come more than because I'm tired. I'm sorry.
I guess I can never do squats properly in my whole life. I don't know why do I even do this, but yeah, just don't mind me, okay?
I'm going to repeat the same exercise right now. 10. I still have 25 minutes to go and I'm almost there. Dude, it's hard to do a workout for 70 minutes straight. Let the HIT. It's okay, I'm gonna do. Watch me.
This is when you get to know that you are addicted to reels, you know? Yes. Can you all see my tummy? Like, dude, I'm growing so fat every day. I don't know why.
I have only 15 minutes to go. So, I have 1 minute break. I'll just sleep. Like, I'll take a nap. Bye. I have only 6 minutes to go.
Okay, for the first time I was struggling to do planks. I don't know why. Okay, this was the last exercise of the challenge and I was so done because it was more than a hour of HIT. Like, seriously guys, it was like, oh god. Okay, after you finish your workout, please don't forget to stretch down your body. This is the most important thing. Like, you need to warm up before and you need to stretch down in the last. So don't miss it guys.
So guys, as you all saw, I'm done with the workout. Like, I am so tired, I can't even speak, to be honest. And the baddest thing is, I need to do an ethnic wear video for my college, and I remember it now. Dude, see my hair. I need to take a shower, then do that, and I have a lot more calories to burn. I don't know, today is a productive day, you know, so let's go. So guys, as you all can see, I just came out for a walk and I've thought to burn the extra 500 calories on walking. So let's see how it goes, and yeah, I don't know, let's see. So guys, as you all can see, it's already 8:15. Okay, you can't see me, it's fine, but yeah, I have few more steps to go and I'll be done. Like 550 calories will be burnt. Let's go and do it. Guys, I'm just done with the workout, everything properly done, and I've already burned 2000 calories in one day. I know it may not be accurate, but it's fine. I've done something right, yes. And also, I'll just add a picture over here so that you all can see it. I just walked for 20,000 steps and I burned 500 and something calories, and I'm so happy that I did it. And yeah, this was a productive day. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully this video was somewhere helpful for you all. And also guys, if you are taking this challenge, please do note that you do certain things before, like at least a way before, like 1 week of workout, and then you take up this challenge or something. Just don't do it randomly on a daily basis. Please don't do it. It's not good for health, I know, but it's okay. It's your wish, it's your call. You can go for it and it's your wish, okay? So if you would have liked this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, guys. Meet you all very soon.